400 corporate events, 10 years, conferences, conventions, summits, expos, retreats. And after all that, I can tell you with complete confidence, it was never the gear that booked it. It wasn't even the price. There's one thing that has consistently won us corporate clients over and over again, and most videographers completely skip it. I'm going to break it all down for you today. My name is Ryan Corcino. I run Corcino Productions, a full-service production company based in Southern California. We have a team of 7 full-time creatives, not freelancers, not contractors we pull from a list, people who actually show up every single day and know exactly how we operate. We've worked with companies like Hyundai, Shein, Russell Westbrook Foundation, and hundreds of event planners across Southern California and beyond. And in 10 years of doing this, I've learned that the one thing that separates production companies that stay booked from the ones that are consistently chasing has nothing to do with your camera package. Early on, I was doing what most videographers do. Someone reaches out, I send a quote, list out what's included, and I say, let me know if you have any questions. Professional, clean, efficient. And I kept losing jobs to people I knew we were better than. Better gear, better work, better team. Didn't matter. I remember one specific discovery call. The client asked about our packages. I walked them through everything, gave them a number, and said, feel free to reach out if anything comes up. They said they think about it. Never heard back. That was the moment I realized I was treating a discovery call like a transaction. And corporate clients don't want a transaction, they want a partner. So here's what changed. And this is the one thing that has booked us more corporate clients than anything else we've ever done. I stopped selling packages and I started selling relationships. So every single discovery call now, before I ever talk about price, before I walk them through the deliverables, I get personal. I ask them where they're based. I ask them about their event, what they're most excited about, what keeps them up at night about it. And sometimes we end up talking about our families, our kids, what we do on the weekend, something completely off script. And what happens is they stop feeling like they're talking to a vendor. They start feeling like they're talking to someone who actually cares about their event. Then I tell them something that I mean every single time. I'm not looking for a one-time gig. I want to be the production company you call for every conference, every summit, every retreat. I want to understand your brand, your audience, your goals. I want to be your partner. That one sentence has opened up more long-term relationships than any reel or rate sheet I've ever sent. And then, and this is the most part people don't do, I send them a custom page, not a generic proposal, a page that's built specifically around their event type, their industry, their goals. So when they open it, it doesn't feel like a template. It feels like we already understand their world. Now, where's the second part of this? And it directly supports everything I just said about partnership. When event planners are hiring a production team for a conference or convention, they're not just hiring cameras. They are trusting you with their keynote speakers, their sponsors, their attendees, their reputation, their experience. The number one thing that makes them nervous, showing up and not knowing if the team can handle it. When I tell the client our team of 7 are full-time, not freelancers, we pulled together last minute, I can see the shift happen in real time. The tension drops because they know that there's a system in place. There's communication, there's accountability. We've worked together hundreds of times. We know how each other moves. That's what they're actually buying. Not cameras, but confidence. And honestly, that's the thing freelancers can't replicate. Not just because they're not talented. A lot of them are incredibly talented, but a solo operator or a patchwork crew cannot give a corporate event planner the same level of certainty that a real built full team can. So if you're a videographer trying to break into corporate events, here's the framework that actually works. 1, lead with curiosity. Not a quote. Ask about their event before you even mention a price. Make them feel heard. 2, get personal on the call. Find one human moment. Ask where they're from. Ask what they've been most excited about. People hire people they like. 3, position yourself as a long-term partner. Tell them directly, you're not looking for a one-time job. You want to understand their brand and grow with them. 4, send something custom. A proposal, a page, a deck, something that shows you actually listened and built something specifically for them. 5, let your team be closer. If you have a team, show it. Talk about it. The size, the structure, the consistency. That is your competitive advantage. We've filmed over 400 corporate events in 10 years, and I can tell you the ones that turned into long-term partnerships all started the same way. Not with the best quote, but with the best conversation. If you're trying to break into the corporate events, or you're an event planner watching this trying to figure out what to look for in a production company, drop a comment below. Tell me where you're at in your journey. I read every single one. And if this helped you, subscribe, because we're documenting everything. The wins, the lessons, the behind the scenes, the losses, the real production company goes through. We're not gatekeeping anything. So watch this next video to really get into your business and level up.